Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We're starting this one off with a classic vehicle moment for you all. I know how much you all like seeing these classics knocking around. What you're looking at here is a 1979 Volkswagen camper. In this clip, as you can see, we come up to a set of red traffic lights for pedestrian crossing. You've got the person there just going over in the mobility scooter, but we're going to see absolute numpty behaviour now. Now keep watching behind the lorry and you'll see this space cadet just here that I've circled. Now watch what he does now. Keep an eye on him. You'll see him come down the outside of that queue of traffic. And to think his mum waited 9 months for him to come along, but yet he couldn't wait for a couple of minutes for a set of traffic lights to change. And just a quick look at him again. Definitely a few trees short of an orchard, this one. I've got one here now for you classic car enthusiasts.
We're talking famous faces in mundane places. Claire owns a Woolworths in Stratton.
Now, because of the width of the road, I'll zoom in. But what you're looking at here is a 1978 MG Midget.
On even Woolworths a few years ago. Places. Claire owns a Woolworths in Stratton upon Avon. Woolworths a few years ago. Chris Tarrant.
In this clip, we're on the A5, and I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1984 Land Rover Series 3. In this clip, we're in the Walsgrave area of Coventry. Now we're looking at this low capacity cupcake just here, stopped on red lines right by a traffic light junction. Now I've not moved further because I wanted to give room for that other white car to come through, but for whatever reason he didn't want to come through, so I just carried on. What a place to stop. I have one here now for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1993 Vauxhall Astra. I have another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. Again, with the width of the road here, I'll zoom in, but what you're looking at here is a 1998 Land Rover Defender. I won't bother doing a rear camera shot with this one because there's a trailer behind it. I have a bit of a petrolhead moment here for you now. It's not a classic or a vintage car, but more of a sporty car. This sporty little number is a 2026 Caterham. Personally, I don't think I would have overtaken there, especially not with cars coming the other way. I have another one here for you classic car enthusiasts.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Main Street.
What you're looking at here is a 1990 Porsche 944.
Quarter of a mile, turn right onto Main Street.
I've got a blue light response for you in this clip. It's a Paramedic car, I think you call them. You can just see it coming down the road now on the right hand side. We're on Beacon Road in this clip, and we're just coming into the tiny village of Woodhouse EAVES, and we're looking at Percy Peloton in front of us. Now, talk about pedal power, that guy in front of us, he could have generated enough electricity to light up the whole of Leicestershire. In fact, I actually broke into a sweat just watching him. We've moved on now from the previous clip, and we're now in the neighbouring village of Woodhouse. Very nice it looks around here too. But anyway, I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. We have this 1998 Land Rover Defender. In this clip, we're going to be looking at Impatience. Those markings just there are give way markings. That's Barwell Lane, and that means any vehicle coming out of Barwell Lane has to give way to traffic already on the main road, which in this case is Ashby Road. But this one here in the white car didn't get the memo.
Oh shit. Go on then. Pull out there.
Now, for me personally, I don't think they should have pulled out there.
Oh fuck.
In this clip, we're going to be looking at Clueless pedestrians. Now, as you can tell, about a set of red traffic lights. These traffic lights do also have pedestrian crossing lights as well, with a little red man and green man. So there's absolutely no excuse for this pedestrian that you're about to see.
17 are in custody. Meanwhile, £1.4 million is being put into tackling.
But watch our traffic lights now, as old matey here just wanders out without a care in the world.
Crime in the West Midlands, including 185,000 for investigating domestic abuse related.
That's all right, mate, don't worry.
60 projects in the region will receive funding. The cruise ship hit by a hantavirus outbreak has arrived in the Netherlands.
We're on the B4109 in this clip, just coming through Burbage, and as you can tell, looking at the timestamp, it is late at night, just gone 11:15, but we've got someone on a bike with no lights on. We have seen this one before as well, I think it was earlier this year at some point. You can literally just about make him out here against the darkness, but as long as they still get the 1.5 metres, hey, what else matters?
Same one again, no lights on.
In this clip, we're in the Walsgrave area of Coventry, and I'm going to give you a clue to what sort of driver we're looking at. You guessed it, it's one of Wolverhampton's finest licensed to kill assassins. And there he is just there on the right hand side. Now the car in front of me is letting the car in lane 2 pull in front of him. But Mr. Assassin there also wants a piece of the action too.
I think the cats, you can't just uproot them, can you? You need somewhere with a gun. Oh my god!
Jeez.
Oh,
Well, here's a licence to kill assassin, so what do you expect? Uber driver.
There's a lot of them on the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it.
Well, in this clip, we're coming up to the STRETTON Baskerville roundabout again, and we're going to be looking at poor lane discipline. Surprise, surprise. Now, I'll just give you a brief lowdown on what the lane discipline is here. The middle lane is the A5 northbound only, so if you're going towards Tamworth or even towards Nuneaton, that's the lane you'd want to be in. The lane that I'm in, you can also get to the A5 north, again not a problem, the M69 north or the B4109 towards Burbage and Hinckley. Now that's the way I'm going.
Always the best music.
But keep an eye on Matey here. Now he's in the lane for the A5 northbound only, but he don't actually want the A5 northbound. He wants to go towards Hinckley as well, same as me. And I will flip over to the rear camera as well when we get past these traffic lights, just to set the scene for you all and see what you guys think.
I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, Sapshman.
And there's old Matey just there that I circled earlier. Watch what he does.
Fucking toot at me, you twat.
But now, I'm not too sure whether it was him tooting me or that car that's overtaking me now on the right hand side as we're looking at it, that was tooting him. But anyway, away from the cyclist with no lights on or the poor lane discipline at STRETTON Baskerville roundabout, I've now got one here where I need my crystal ball to see which way people are going. Looking at the car in front of us.
Obviously, I need me crystal ball out again, see which way people are going.
But we'll stay on this clip now because I've got one coming up for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1991 Volkswagen Golf.
It's time for the STRETTON Baskerville roundabout again. Oh yeah.
Yep, we're back at that roundabout again. And like the previous clip we saw here a couple clips ago, we're looking at poor lane discipline again. Oh look, it's that car we saw in the previous clip here. And the lane position of the FedEx lorry leaves a lot to be desired. I was actually thinking he maybe wanted to go up to the M69 northbound, hence why I held back. But he didn't, he went straight down the A5 northbound instead.
Oh, now he's changed his fucking mind. Oh no, he's back again.
And there's old matey again in the blue car. Now remember, that lane he's in is for the A5 northbound only. But again, he don't want that lane.
You arsehole.
We're on the A429 in this clip, just coming into Guy's Cliffe and Warwick. I've got one here for you classic car enthusiasts.
Ooh.
What you're looking at here is a 1979 Jaguar XJ. I'm going to fast forward now to our next observation. It's another classic car. So, you know, don't say you don't get good value on this channel.
Wait, look at that.
Well, this is more of a vintage number. What you're looking at here is a 1934 Austin 7. In this clip, we're on the A34. Now, as you can see, just past an entry there into a service station. We've got the exit coming up. Now, do you think this car should have pulled out?
Fucking hell.
And there was no way I could have pulled over into lane 2, because as you just saw, we had that car come past as well. We're still on the A34 in this clip, and we've got a classic car moment for you all coming up. But it's not one, it's not two, but we've got 3 classic Jaguars for you. Our first one out of the gate is this 1965 Jaguar, closely followed by this 1963 Jaguar E-Type. And last but not least, we have this 1965 Jaguar. But anyway, that's all we've got time for this week. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care and bye for now.